Ever been locked out of your own Samsung A23 5G? That sinking feeling when you see a PIN you can't remember and a Google account that's out of reach? Today, I'm rescuing you from that tech nightmare with a foolproof solution that works every time. Now, let's open up this beauty. Oh wait, classic mistake. Always remove the SIM tray first. If you're following along, learn from my blunder here. Small details make all the difference. With the SIM tray out, we can now remove the outer camera cover. But here's where Samsung tries to trip you up. See this power button? It's attached to the cover. Rush this step and you'll be shopping for replacement parts. I've learned this lesson the hard way, so you don't have to. This tiny spot right here, this is your golden ticket, the test point. Most repair shops won't tell you about this, but it's the key to everything we're doing today. Time to introduce our digital locksmith UnlockTool. I'll sign in. Navigate to Samsung. Find our A23 model and select EDL Erase FRP. Straightforward so far, right? But here comes the crucial part. While UnlockTool is preparing, I'll short the test point and connect the USB cables simultaneously. Timing is everything here. And there it is. We've entered EDL mode. UnlockTool recognizes our device instantly, and now the magic happens. It only takes seconds, but behind the scenes, complex processes are running to free your phone. And just like that, freedom. No PIN, no Google verification. Your phone is ready for a fresh start. Isn't that satisfying? Before we wrap up, I want to address something that might save you hours of frustration. If you're working with MTK devices and UnlockTool gets stuck on jump to BROM, I've got you covered. I faced this exact issue last week and discovered a solution that works every time. Look out for my next video. If this rescue mission saved your device, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech solutions that actually work. Drop a comment telling me about your worst phone lockout story. Was it worse than mine? And don't miss my upcoming video on fixing that stubborn BROM error. If you work with MTK devices, it's one you can't afford to skip.